Bodega Boys.
All right, I'm hearing some commotion up in front. What's going on here?
Yo, let me talk to the big man. Let me talk to the boss man, Duke.
What's up?
Yo,
Who's
move
this?
to the side, my guy.
Yo,
DX in the building.
who are you?
Bodega Boys. Yo,
Bleak, pardon me. Who is this?
Hova, yo, yo, triple entendre. Don't even ask me how, Jay.
Yeah.
Yo,
All right.
4th. Yo, my
Yeah.
guy. Yo, we're here for the Rock Nation brunch. You know what it is? I went, yo.
Yeah, I don't.
You know what I'm saying? I went to Stacey Adams. I got the
right.
3-piece suit.
Okay.
I got 400. Mero's parking the car in the back. Yo, they saying we're not on the guest.
I mean, I don't. To be honest, I don't even know who you are. I'm gonna keep it real with you.
Late night, Desus and Mero.
Yeah, I mean,
I was chilling with Pekka. Rock Nation fucks with me. I'm
gonna be real. I'm close to a Billy. I have no connection.
I physically used to work for you.
Oh, okay. So you're one of the Rangers?
I like that.
I wasn't joking. I have no clue who you or your man are.
Yo, we was on the. Yo, you acting funny. Like everyone knows who we are. Number one show late night. Ask my people who knows. Like we were promised to be allowed in the Rock Nation.
No,
you catching over. Yo, nigga, throw me a. What's that? Coup d'etat? Coup d'etat? No, exactly.
It's called coup d'etat.
Coup d'etat.
You see, I would never put anybody on my guest list that did not know how to speak French, at least cursory French.
Yo,
please
switch up on niggas.
Evacuate the area. I'm on a natural journey. Look at my hair. Yo, I'm almost at J. Cole levels.
You donated money to people in Chicago to cut off black people's hair, but yeah, you going here
because I want dreads and they growing wild slow. Look at my facial hair. It's been 40 years. Wow. It hasn't grown at all.
Wow.
I wake up in night sweats thinking about Nas telling me I got whiskers like a rat.
Wow.
Come on.
I want my S-dots here, bro.
Wow, you really a herb. Wow, that was the wild cash grab.
Yo, YG. Yo, YG.
Hey, what's up?
Yo, throw me some of that bacon.
What up, blood?
Yo, throw me some of that bacon.
Hey, you best to get the moving, blood. Before I call Ray J up here, nigga, set this whole shit the fuck off.
Yo.
Hey, how if you want me to handle this shit, cuz?
Does that nigga have on favor boots?
I do, nigga, but I flex on him. Okay. So what? I'm knocking down Kalani, nigga, suck my whole dick.
Yo, fuck
hey,
this.
ho, get this motherfucker out of here.
Yo, we going
Yeah, man, fuck this shit. We gonna go to fucking the motherfucking
we going to Nas's brunch.
Yeah.
We going to Nas's brunch.
That shit is way more popping.
At the Red Lobster at Times Square.
That's right. It's just us and him. We drinking Long Island iced teas. Fuck out of here.
Yo, Siri, play Ether.
Fuck out of here.
Play the Diplo remix.
Yeah. The hot shit.
Yo, with the frou on it.
Fuck
yeah.
Yo, y'all niggas better leave. Matter of fact, I'll do you a favor. Yo, this is Hova the God. I want to introduce these two herbs. You know what I'm saying? They got an episode 169 or whatever. What's this shit called?
Bodega Boys.
Okay, that thing there. You know what I'm saying? And what is the other thing that y'all niggas say or whatever? Bleak told me about it. He listens to it while he does
do the drop.
While he mows the lawn. All right, do the motherfucking drop. Press right. It's the Rock, but it's not. I have no affiliation with these niggas whatsoever. They're criminals. I'm an upstanding citizen. That's right. Do the drop.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
No, we definitely not going that route. You know what? There's probably not eggs at that shit. All I'm saying is, have we not been invited to brunches, starving?
Yes. And then showed up, niggas got grape leaves.
Niggas is like, here's one cherry tomato for both you and me.
Here, enjoy. Yeah. Would you like me to cut your grape in half?
You guys got to nibble it between you two, like fucking Lady and the Tramp. That's right, 169. Ow.
Yeah.
Ow. You know what it is.
Sexy.
That means it's going to be extra nasty episodes. Actually, they're all nasty episodes. At some point, we start talking about like hood shit. We just talk about sex all the time. all the fucking time.
Sex is fun. We're sex positive.
Regular sex. We talking about like porn sex. We talking about like biblical sex.
All types of sex, bro.
Fuck it. That's what
we run the gamut. This is gonna turn into like the Dan Savage podcast.
All I'm saying is, if you didn't want to hear it, how come we still got sold out shows?
Oh,
for all those people who saying we sold out and the shit's not funny.
Oh,
I'm saying like
how you feel?
Ticket sales say otherwise. Okay.
Stupid. You know what I'm saying? Niggas talking about, yo, please sign my hat. Yo, please sign my fucking, my scar that I got when I was shot. You know what I'm saying?
And they be like, please, when they're not signing nothing more. They're not signing nothing more. You just want in the back like, them niggas signing my placenta. Fuck that.
Fuck that.
I had this shit on ISIS.
Nah.
Fuck that.
Yo, my scar just healed. Yo, I got hit in the belly with a shotty. They signing that shit.
Love them, but they be getting hostile. But I get it. Because if it's a meet and greet and they're like, we meeting and greeting, nigga.
We greeting.
Okay?
We not just meeting, we greeting too.
I want to stick my tongue down someone's throat. That's why I pay my
I pay my money. I'm going to grab this nigga Mero's balls. I don't care.
I'm like, oh.
I was like, all right, okay, that's fine.
Relax. Like, how you doing? How you doing? Oh, this is what you made the babies with?
I'm like, yeah.
Squeezing them.
Yeah, I did.
Squeezing his coin purse.
My coin purse.
Hurting his Sacagaweas. Wow.
Yeah.
You hate to see it.
Oh, God.
Oh,
yeah, you
wow.
hate to see it.
Yo, shout out to the Bahamas. Niggas got smacked.
Hold your head. And shout out to Disney because Disney just left niggas out there. They were like, yo, they got water. They good.
Disney was...
That ain't no problem.
No, it was... not even Disney. Royal Caribbean. Well, Disney was like, yo, we're going to donate $1 million. $1 million.
Yeah.
Disney made like $46.8 billion last year.
They made $1 million in fucking Sophia the Princess socks.
They made $1 million off of just me buying popcorn during Avengers movies.
You know what I'm saying?
Bullshit.
Like, come on, man. Stop
all right.
playing.
I saw Aquaman. Come on.
They called Disney. They were like, you have guys on your resort in the Bahamas that are in danger.
I said $1 million.
They was like,
fuck that. My name's Bob fucking Iger. He hung up and he was like, yeah, get back to it. Work the balls. Yeah. Maybe now I'll buy your network. Hypothetically. Allegedly. Listen. Shout out to them. Didn't they just come out? They just came out with their own streaming service, right? Mm-hmm. There's mad new streaming services.
Yo, listen. The
only streaming service you need is Showtime.
That's right, baby.
Showtime.
You know what I'm saying?
Maybe Hulu, because you also watch us on there.
You know what I'm saying? Every platform we're available on.
You know what I'm saying? A lot of you watch us on a platform called Fire Stick. It's not a platform.
Yo.
If you're the way you watch TV, in order to get it fixed, if you got a troubleshoot, you got to call a nigga from your barbershop.
No.
You're probably pirating.
No. If you got to bring it to fucking Julio and 4B for him to like upgrade your shit, nah, you living foul, B.
You know what I'm saying?
I don't fuck with no Codys.
If you like, yo, my channels ain't working, let me call Loopy. I'm like, yo.
Loopy just show up mad high in the crib like, yo, dressed up like a body and shit like, yo te bien puta. I'm here to fix the fire stick, nigga. What's good?
Nah, Loopy is industrious right now. Like, he's driving an Uber. Like he pull up, reset your fire stick, and keep it moving. Shout out to the car.
Shout out to Loopy the car. You know what I'm saying?
Out here.
Pull
an Uber over and yell out the Knicks, and it's like, yo, the season hasn't even started. Like, he raised some salient points.
That's right.
He's right, though.
That's right.
Okay.
Excellent service. Great conversation. 5 stars.
Ask him about the Knicks.
Loopy's from the Bronx. He enjoys marijuana and paying child support.
Oh God. Uber.
Love you, my G.
Is Uber still popping or Uber bad?
Is Uber bad? I don't know. It was bad, then it was Lyft, and then motherfuckers started losing Lyft, and then it was like, nah, this shit ain't
point in life, you just don't care.
I mean, that's the real facts.
If you can remove yourself from the everyday struggle, you're just like, yo, I don't care about the Uber driver. I don't know him. Like, why is his problem my problem? I didn't know him 5 minutes ago before I stepped foot in his car.
I'm gonna tell you something.
Why am I doing the physical labor and transferring his burden onto my shoulders?
No.
I'm not the Statue of Liberty.
You don't need to do that.
Fuck this.
No, bring me a tidy pull. You don't gotta do that.
I'm gonna do none of that.
That's the government's issue.
Oh, my baby. No. No. Not doing it.
No.
Blocking it. Sorry.
You
block.
What?
Not trying to hear it.
No,
because think about it. You having a nice day and shit. Maybe you want to go shopping and shit. Now this nigga just dropping the bomb on you and shit. It's like, yo, I got diabetes. They're going to take my leg. That's my driving leg. I'm like, come on, man.
I didn't need to hear that.
I ain't need that.
I was in a good mood and shit. I was listening to Bo on the way to the studio and shit.
Now
now
I
you
feel
talking
bad.
about?
I'm in the mall. I want to stop at Auntie Anne's because I'm like, damn, I might lose my leg.
You know what I'm saying? I just looked at you in the rear view and shit. You were mad sad and shit. Like,
you know what I mean?
Like, damn. Also, shout out to all the Jersey Uber drivers canceling on a nigga when they find out that I gotta go to New York because they can't pick up anybody in New York and bring them back to Jersey.
It's just disgusting.
Fucking
How
dicks.
dare they?
Fucking start the ride and then cancel. Oh, we're sorry, we had to cancel this ride. I hope you take 10 L's.
I'm not even gonna hold you. Like, if I have to do like the wild dickhead ride from the Bronx to Brooklyn, I'd always be like, "Yo, it could be worse. Like, you have to be going to Jersey." They're like, "Let me tell you about Jersey." I'm like, "That's at least 10 minutes."
Oh,
and they
man.
get so indignant about it, they don't even mind that they're going to.
They're like, it's De Blasio.
Yeah.
De Blasio. He doesn't want us to make money. He wants to take all the money.
To you. Let me explain to you, my friend. I go over the bridge, double the fare, but it's out my pockets. How is that fair? I'm just like, I mean, I don't know. Take the FDR, take the
Yeah.
go over
Yeah, don't follow the ways.
the Crown Heights.
Yeah, don't. Everybody's going that way. Don't you see everybody's going in that lane? Go in this lane. What are you doing? You can run over a cone. It's cool. I won't tell nobody.
You gotta get more money and get a helipad.
Oh, I can't wait.
You gotta get the wall.
I was
Don't even like
I'm gonna go
zone in or just like
Nah.
I can just build a helipad.
zoning. Nigga, what the fuck? Papers. I'm gonna go on my room. I'm gonna go on my roof and just spray paint an X on top and put like an H in the middle. Like, yo, this is where my helicopter lands.
And it's still
the shit goes-
mad.
you know what I'm saying?
How that shit hover, you just roll out.
You know what I'm saying?
Roll like,
yo, fuck that. Yo, pff. You know
You
what I
got
mean?
a trampoline, right?
Yeah.
There you go.
Just fall right on the trampoline. I don't give a fuck.
Nigga hit the trampoline, bounce right back up into the road. There's mad chunks of shit on your kids.
Yo. My kids are dinosaurs, so they'd be like, yo.
Hooray!
Yo. Son, I got... I don't know the fucking
I
diaper
watched that shit on
bro.
Live Leak like, this looks familiar.
Damn. Is this...
Can't place it.
Yo, I had fucking another diverticulitis attack, and my fucking kid was like, yo, you gonna die? I was like, no. He was like, die. Daddy gonna die. I was like, nigga, shut the fuck up. I was like, you little asshole.
That nigga was like, boy, look at your mortality.
He's like, I'm mad young, you mad old, you gonna die before I do.
Wow. The disrespect. You know how you fix that, right?
I'm like, yo, I was like, it don't have to happen that way, little motherfucker.
Nah. A little Campbell soup with witch hazel. Oh, God. Yeah, a little Munchausen by proxy. All right? When they want to look for God and they look at you because you saved them, you took them to the hospital. Teach them a little something.
Yeah, like, yo,
put them in their place.
Yeah, I saved your life.
Oh, your stomach hurts.
Yeah, yeah.
I got you. Daddy got you.
Yeah, come here.
Daddy got
come
you.
here. I'm gonna help you. Yeah, exactly.
Right?
Been doing that.
Nurse comes with a clipboard. You slap it out her hand. Like, nah. We're Christian scientists. We don't do Western
holistic medicine only. Fuck out of here.
I put essential oils in his butt.
Yo, bring me some fucking mud from Bolivia. We're gonna fix this.
Put a crystal in his dick.
Yo, is that yo? I don't know what the deal is with that shit, bro. But like, I don't want to like alienate or disrespect people. But that's just how like the dumbest shit ever, bro.
What?
Like niggas are selling crystals on the internet for like hundreds of dollars.
Yeah.
Not even on some like, yo, this is a nice centerpiece for a table. Like it has cleansing energy and it will balance your spirits. I'm like, yo, fam. The only thing I need to balance my spirits is some weed.
We're from the Bronx. You can't believe in crystals.
Like,
think about everything you've been through living in the Bronx, every struggle you've ever had. You do not have that levity in life.
Okay, but let me ask you a
about
question.
crystals.
When you were going through those hardships, how many crystals you had around you?
Fuck that. All right.
Yo, it's a counterpoint.
True. Here's a counterpoint. Can you bag up with crystals on the table? No. Okay.
If you run out of work, you can just back up the crystals. Like, yo, this shit is that hard rock.
Let me get a time machine and go back in the day when me and my mans was bagging up to Tupac with the burner on the table. And let me pull out a crystal for good vibes.
You good vibes? Yo, let me sage the room.
Vibes industry is booming.
As soon as you pull out that crystal, you just hear, this nigga a cop.
Yo.
This nigga's a cop.
Yo.
Top of the day, officer. Nigga pulled out crystals. What, we bagging up with just jewels?
Yo.
Nah, nigga. Positive vibes only.
Yo, vibes.
Oh, making his back too heavy.
Yo, like the knowledge guy said, bro, vibes is the new hot commodity, bro. We gotta start selling vibes.
You got some vibes.
We gotta can it or something. I don't know. Fat Jew put wine in a can. Can we put vibes in a can?
When I was in Hawaii, they sell jars
of vibes,
and these are illegal. You cannot. People fill mason jars full of sand on Hawaiian beaches.
Yeah,
and they put them on eBay, and they have a huge crackdown on it now. It's illegal to take sand from any beach in Hawaii, which is one of those things that I didn't really think about. But then they announced it on the plane. No, they put it like on a paper or some shit.
Yeah.
Or it had it in the airport. And then the Bronx person in my head was like, oh, wait, you got a market for illegal sand? So the whole time I'm there, I'm like, because they were low. They was like, you can come back with sand, but if it's on your clothes, or if it's on your, and I'm there, I'm like, how can I get this fucking sand back, nigga?
They just got a bit full of a Carolina rice bag full of sand.
Nigga, I was about to boof all the sand. You're about to call me Sandy Cheeks for real.
Yeah.
It comes out like a blop.
Yeah.
I was like, yo, that's the black sand, nigga. Yeah, clearly they got Chipotle.
Yeah. It's like it's a drug meal, but with sand. You gotta like wash the doodle off the sand and shit, like sift it. Like,
But no, there's money in that. Like that shit. Let's make a movie about us going to Hawaii. And stealing sand.
Just hollow out pineapples and fill them with sand,
shit.
and then we get to the airport. They're like, pineapples are also illegal.
They'll be like, yo, you could have just did coke for all this.
You could have caught
Nigga
the
walk to
brick.
the airport with mad bricks and sand tapped to him and shit. Nigga on the plane like sweating like, how many hours we got left? Woo!
Goddamn.
Sir, we haven't even taken off yet.
Sir, one of the bags busted shit. You just walk around leaving a wild sand trail of sand.
It's refreshment time. Let me guess. You want a sandwich?
Shut up, my nigga.
Brother, this guy stinks!
No, we just gotta do a movie. This is about us smuggling sand. First, we do like a pocket full. Then we do like a little more.
We bring a popsicle back and get a G for it. Like,
And then we just like, yo. And like
is it.
Heather gets nervous. She's like, I don't
know about this.
I see her.
I'm like, yo,
she's like
don't worry
talking
about
to you in the mirror while she's lotioning up. Like, Mero, I don't have a good feeling about this.
I'm like, yo, don't worry about it. Just act
I'm
natural.
like, Victor's like, you guys gotta stop. I'm like, yo, we got one big
Yo,
score.
listen, bro. Just
Got
hide
one big score left.
Yo, just hide one brick in your hair.
Yo, I got my man. It was played by Jason Momoa. Like he knows he shouldn't be selling the sand, but he needs the money. Lisa Monet, she's got in some trouble with some drug dealers.
This is just like the mad one scene where he's just like
Yeah.
mad introspective music. And he's just like, fuck.
I'm betraying the ancestors, eh?
Damn, what am I doing?
Oh, bruh.
This should be happening. Nigga does a haka and shit. Even though that's a completely wrong and culture and shit. Nigga just beats himself till he starts bleeding and shit. Like, Nigga just punches a mirror and shit. Like, mad dramatic. You know what I'm saying? Soft focus.
Just we walking through, we like mad nervous and shit. Niggas mad chatty at the TSA, like, you wouldn't be smoking the sand out, would you, eh?
No.
Of course not. What about sand? Not sand.
I'm going to the beach when I get home. Why would I bring sand to the beach?
Like a
Surfboard. He fucking good at taking his Esther and lobster.
Niggas stamp our passport. They're like, you're good to go. As we walk, like one of the bags was it's like a trail of sand. I'm like, walk fast.
Yo, it's the sand bandits.
It's them. Stop them. We're throwing sand in niggas' faces to get out the turn. There's like six TSA agents running down the turn. I throw a pineapple at them. They will fall down like bowling pits.
Throw man sand on the floor, niggas slip and shit because the fucking marble floors. Ha ha! Plan is in place. Yo, Brett Ratner, yo, fucking get on this.
You want it? You want the sand boys? Sand boys. You make me feel so good.
You know you make me feel so good, except when you in my chos. Ooh. Is that a real thing?
This land, what would you give this life for crime? Nigga, I'm back on the block. 2 for 5. Yo. That sand.
To this day.
You know what I'm
saying?
I'm that sand man.
Get to the shmoney, you know what I'm saying? Sand guys, you know what I'm
You know what
saying?
it is?
Niggas got trash out of block, you know what I'm saying? They got an Orchard Beach, they can wear that Hawaii puree,
You know what
nigga.
it is? Call me Bernie Sanders. You know what it is? Out here. We need a new we need different levels of problematic light. We need like, yo, that was wildin'.
Like, yo, you wildin'.
We got the one where you gotta like call Showtime like, yo, just had long nights. You know what I'm saying? Niggas was drinking.
You know what I'm saying? Shit happens.
So I pushed up with my old tweets and was like, you need to delete this before Showtime sees it. And they tagged Showtime in it. And I was like, you're the person making it hot? Like,
You fucking idiot.
also, I tweeted in 2014, if any of my tweets are offensive, I want y'all to remember I was broke when I made these. So
Yeah. boom, done. That's like the end user license
That's
agreement.
like that Instagram.
You know what I'm
You're
saying?
not allowed to use my photos.
Yeah, that's right. I posted. I reposted it, so it's my property
just
now.
To be safe.
That's right.
Okay.
IP.
You can't use my 09 photo of me drinking a mimosa at Angel on Lower East Side. While Samantha Rawson DJs.
Yo,
right. I was bent off 4 cans of Spark.
That's right. Niggas was at lit before lit was a thing.
Yeah, you want to go to Angel?
Yo, let's go, bro.
Let's go, bro. You know, his top went off at Lucky Chang.
Yeah, let's hit up Spy, bro. Felix the House Cat is DJing there tonight.
Let's go to Opaline. Hold on, first I gotta return this VHS to I talk about New York that doesn't exist anymore.
Yeah.
Back when you go to West 8th Street and get a hot dog from Papaya.
That's right.
And
after you get wild drunk.
Watch mad people who have motorcycles but no motorcycle licenses sit there.
You didn't rob the first gentrifiers that came to pianos on fucking Ludlow B? You not like me, nigga. I was up there with cornrows and a North Face jacket going through all the white women's purses.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? And coming up with nothing but Marlboro Lights.
That was the mistake I used to make in the Bronx. I was like, oh, because you come from the Bronx,
yeah,
you're partying downtown, and there's no coat check. Everyone would do that shit like, oh, we're just all throwing our coats in a pile. And I was like, you thought,
nigga?
I'm going through all your pockets.
Nigga, I'm about to be like a gopher in this pile. Nigga, like,
you was like, damn. Wait, let me do the math. I'm here for an open bar. You're here for open bar. People here for open bars are generally poor.
Fuck it. Disaster.
It's just, they get their coats. It's just like looking like rabbit ears.
Come on, dog. This bad pockets, nothing in there, nigga. Like a half a bag of Coke and shit. What am I gonna do with half a bag of Coke except ruin your night?
You're not real if you've never come home from a party and like you're waiting for the train, but you gotta wait for the train outside the turnstile because you ain't got that Metro card.
Hey, you gotta hop that shit and go,
and
nigga.
When that
like
train comes to this thing, and everyone else is looking around like, oh. Are we all hopping?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
All right.
Ninja Turtles, like 1, 2, 3, go.
There's like 4 of y'all, and you're like, okay, as long as I beat 3 of these people, I'm good. Yeah.
I was like, you look at their eyes like a quarterback watching the safety and shit, like, oh, this nigga's going left. This nigga's going left. I'm going right. Fuck that.
Hear that train coming in, like, yeah, nigga. That's a crime that every now and then you gotta do a little crime like that. Just to, have a little loose weed in your bag and NYPD look at your bag before you get on the subway.
Yeah, go ahead. Take a
You
look.
feeling like fucking that guy from Catch Me If You Can. You be like, nigga, nigga, cops can't see me. Nigga, I'm Carmen Sandiego.
Fuck out of here. Leo DiCaprio just skipping through the airport, nigga. Fuck you. I got mad fake passports.
I was sitting there when I was traveling, I was sitting there at one of the boarding gates and I was watching the whole procedure for like when the captain comes in and the flight attendant. And I was like, I could do that. Yeah. I could do that, nigga. But imagine like you sneak on the plane as a flight attendant. Niggas like, we get a meal service? I'm like, God, service.
Oh, man. God damn, bro.
Also making mad ham and cheese sandwiches like, here.
They got the.
I'm Jewish.
Oh.
Take the ham off the cheese.
I mean, listen, nigga. Well, guess what? I'm a rabbi, nigga.
All right.
Your shit is kosher now. Star David, all that. Bang,
Right.
you good.
You good.
Fuck out of here, nigga. You talking crazy? It's the year 5,778.
In the year 5,700.
Yo, Rosh Hashanah soon come, yo. You know what I'm saying? We about to turn up at the crib. Nigga.
Yo, what's the yo it's your boy Jesus Nice. I'm here for MTV. Yo, we here for Rosh Hashanah break. You know what I'm saying?
What
we
up?
got Spring House out here.
Yeah, that's right.
Woo! You know what I'm saying? All my men's got the little strings showing underneath their shirt.
That's right, yo. You know what I'm saying?
Bodega Boys yarmulke.
All day, you know what I'm saying? We got Modest Yahoo doing a 10-hour set. You feel me?
I got the most famous Dominican Jew in the building.
That's right. It's your boy.
From the city god. You know what I'm
saying? We out here.
Jesus peace on you. Got Judy. Sick. How you feeling?
Why he gotta Jesus me? He don't even believe in me.
Yo, Mazel tov, my guy.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? We it's out here, you know what I'm saying? Just get my matzah right, you know what I'm saying? Get to that.
That's good.
That leavened bread, that unleavened bread. You feel me?
Get to that schmeckle.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo,
got a
so
couple.
let me ask you something. Yo, you know what I'm saying? You out here and it just happens to be Sabbath. You're not doing no work. So how do you smoke without doing work?
Got me a goy to roll my blunts, yo.
Oh,
you know what I'm saying?
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Yo, check it out next. Yo, coming up next, Judy's just gonna read how much money she got in her bank. You know what I'm saying? She got the roots back in her.
Oh shit, it's about to be
don't
lit.
Turn away.
Portfolio's up next.
Up next, my MTV Jew.
Relax.
Coming to the Wailing Wall. One night only. One night only. One night only. It's the Bodega Boys.
That was a flex bomb, not a mortar attack.
Oh, wow. Talking straight to all my settlers. Warning, this was not approved by ICM, by Victor, by anyone on their management. Remember, guys, if you want tickets to see, Bodega Boys live in Israel, you got to pay in Bitcoin.
Come through, yo. You know what I'm saying? You got to cross through Jordan, niggas. Wild, scary.
That's right.
I want Michael Jordan to get so rich that he tries to buy Jordan the country, or like become.
He wouldn't buy it, but
emperor,
like, someone has to offer it to him in a gamble.
Oh yeah. Like, yo, you missed 3 free throws in a row, nigga. I get Jordan.
Oh, you
the
thought?
country.
Oh, you thought?
Oh, where?
Nigga, look at you right now, like
In full suit, mom jeans, all that. Like, not even looking like swish, swish, swish. Give me that country, nigga. What's
Speaking
up?
of basketball, when I was in Amsterdam, I was with shout out Bamani, Tommy, at PFT from Barstool. Shout out them, problematic, but they're good people.
Yeah.
So we were walking past a basketball court, and there were all these like these kids in Amsterdam, and they was playing
Straight
they was
scrubs?
playing straight scrub basketball. Yo, niggas is carrying, niggas is double dribbling.
Oh no!
And I was like, yo, we should just go wax them.
Bust their ass.
Go bust up ass on some American dickhead shit.
I love it.
The only thing was it was like 90 degrees. I had on black jeans. I was like,
Oh
God.
yeah,
No. Yeah, so I was-
niggas would have perished.
Also, I think they would have put some points on us.
I mean, maybe with a jumper.
I've realized that I am bad at all sports. I'm old enough to realize that I'm not. Listen,
But you know what it is? It's good to know that you're bad at all sports.
Yeah.
And the worst though is not having been bad at all sports and now being bad at sports.
yes,
Like not having the
You always-
physical capacity to
you
be.
on that
to-
Bruce Springsteen glory days.
Yeah, glory days. I'm like, yo, I could definitely do this. Yo, I fucking had my man was in my yard and I put up a chair and shit and like, football starting and shit.
Mm-hmm.
So my man is just like, yo, I'm gonna throw you a little slant, like, yo, just run and, catch the ball. So I'm doing my thing, hike, boom. I spin around a chair, hurdle over another chair and catch the ball. And then I see the video, I was like, that shit was not impressive at all.
Yeah, well,
I spun around a baby chair, I jumped over another baby chair, and then I caught a football that was like 10 yards away. I was like, that wasn't impressive, but I felt like the man doing that shit, goddamn.
see, I like people who play sports like at an older age because like, yo, that's God bless
Say,
you.
keep in shape.
You know what I'm saying? You got that
Whatever.
discipline. I don't.
Yeah.
Nigga, I am so washed. I am winded right now about the thought of installing NBA 2K. I'm like, please, I gotta take the disc out.
Oh, shit, bro.
Nigga, I'm gonna have to roll a blunt first. Take my 3-bit. And then I'm gonna play NBA 2K for a solid, I wanna say 4 days.
Oh, yeah.
Before I get frustrated.
Yeah.
And either make the super freak, Jesus nice, 7 feet
Flips,
tall,
yeah.
99% 3-point shooter from outside.
With handles.
Maybe he even got like sunglasses on permanently.
All the time.
The wild dickhead
You got like
character.
fucking blue mohawk and shit.
Shout out to Live 95. Remember they had Dennis Rodman, but he had the random hair.
Every
So
time.
game he played, he had like different.
Nigga had
hair.
green hair, yellow hair.
I was like, technology cannot get better than this.
yo, this is amazing.
Wow.
This is blowing my mind.
This is the same game my kids are gonna play.
Now you're just like, yo, they just added like an extra / colon in there, and that was it.
Nah, NBA 2K is too real now. Like, got real DNA and shit. Your characters be getting caught up in like sex crimes.
All that shit, bro, is what. You catch a gun charge and shit, like, and they get like, yo, what the fuck? Like, yo, you fail a piss test and shit, like, yo, you suspended for 10 games for
Like, what
marijuana.
lawyer would you like to pick? I was like, what?
What? Why?
You press one and like connects you with a real lawyer. He's like, yeah, your face is a real serious charges, son. You know,
It gives you 3 choices and shit. One of them is like Berg and Steen. You're like, damn, which one? Berg or Steen? Oh shit.
listen, you're gonna do 3 at the minimum. Like I mean, like what do you like? I'm looking around. You got some nice stuff in your apartment. Like, you got someone to watch that till you get out. I'm like, I was just playing my. No, it was my player. That's you.
Yeah, that's
you.
you.
You're responsible for the
You're a
crimes.
player. Did you read the end user license agreement?
All right, you're over here chopping it up. All right, look out your window. There's probably cops outside as I
Look.
speak. Nigga, look out the window.
Hey, asshole! Hey, did you read the end user license agreement?
Open the door, you piece of shit.
Yeah, hello.
You want to talk to them kids?
NYPD, you little fucking jerk.
I was just playing my player. What the fuck?
No, you fucking penis face. You're playing mine. That's a reality. All right? Our worlds have merged. You are in the Matrix. You fucking fucking pishkadil. Now get out of here so I can stick my nightstick in your ass. Take you to jail.
I run. I press like the power on my Xbox and shit.
You're like, yo, you do the Neo shit.
Just dies. It was like, and then Charlie Book is like, yeah, see, it's the Xbox in it. NBA 2K,
told you,
but it's
mate.
alive.
Told you, mate.
Told you, mate.
Yeah.
Told you, yeah. New season, Black Mirror 7, right? 7, 6, whatever.
That Miley Cyrus episode, that shit was terrible. I finally got around to watching it, and I was like, damn, this shit is not.
The last series of Black Mirror, the last season of Black Mirror is what happens when you have too much success and people stop being real and being critical. Because that last season, come on, they 3 episodes. Imagine we come back to Showtime, we do 3 episodes, and the people we interview are like Victor, fucking the guy that made Mr. Softy, and Dan Rathers.
That's it.
No, I want to see that shit. But if say we had one like the Emmy or some shit, we could get away with shit like that.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm just saying.
They'll be like, it's brilliant. It's brilliant.
That's the new thing now. Instead of people telling you something's good, people are just like, it's important. It's something you need to see.
So it's
good for the culture.
It's culturally relevant.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
There's a lot of whack shit out there, and people are just like, you have to appreciate it.
Yeah.
You have to see what it does.
Come on. It might not be your cup of tea, but, broaden your horizons. I don't want to broaden my fucking horizons.
Fuck that.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what it is? Think about this. Think about this black man. Broaden.
Yeah.
Or you going to become a
emasculate the black man.
You going to become a broad.
That's what they're trying to do.
You know?
You know what I'm saying?
Think about it. All my yards then.
That's right.
They want to make you a broad dem.
Huh?
They
Is that
want
what
you
you
to
want?
they want you to take your cheeks and spread them broadly.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I want that.
You know what I mean? You want to be a broad?
No.
That's broad?
Okay.
Broader than Broadway.
You don't want that.
You know what I'm saying? No.
The Bodega Boys stand with Kevin Hart.
Easy.
No, about his car crash.
Yeah. We just don't want him to get hurt. We're glad he's alive.
There you go.
You know?
Like nothing else.
You can't, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
People could be, you know what I'm saying? You can't wish death upon people.
I got a lot of dancehall artists like,
Oh, word? I can't?
Okay.
Oh?
Okay.
Huh? Shout to Movado, yo. He makes the best songs about killing niggas, B. They're mad melodic.
I mean, he does.
Last Night is a joint.
Yes. Last night.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a good last night. Probably last
You know
night.
what I'm saying?
I mean,
The golfer, yeah, the glass type. Oh,
if we're gonna keep it funky,
that should ring off.
from a future wife out there,
You know what I'm saying?
she knows our fucking our wedding song is.
Oh, yeah.
the very romantic, Movado squeeze upon her breast.
Yes.
Just do it in front of
Yeah.
She want me squeeze her breast them like the trigger of my gun.
There you go. Squeeze her breast like the trigger on my gun. I hope you know what wedding you came to. Okay?
I'm going to try that.
They're going to be like, yo, do you take this woman about, bow! Headshots in the air shit. Instead of domes, they got to release it like,
Instead of kissing her, you just grab a titty like, yo. I squeeze upon your breast.
Just look at everyone like, this is my bitch. Like, just putting a gun in her mouth like, So my uncle in the back like, it's still open bar, right?
We good?
Still open bar, we good?
It was just one shot.
I got liquor in the back of my car.
This nigga start parking lot pimping at your nuptials. This shit is real.
Uncle, we drove all the way out to Allentown. I always talk about Allentown. Shout out to Allentown. You know what I'm saying? They got the prettiest light-skinned chicks with no fathers and the best heroin.
You know what I'm saying?
So, went to a wedding in Allentown and we were promised open bar. Because people don't drive from New York to Allentown unless it's an open bar wedding.
No.
It wasn't even a cash wedding. There was no liquor.
You went to a dry wedding, my G?
Went to a dry fucking wedding, bro.
Oh, my God.
And the worst part is, I've talked about this before. My uncle went out there with the sole purpose of getting sloshed. He went out there and got a hotel room because he was like, I'm going to be so drunk I can't drive back to New York.
Ugh.
You know how mad he was?
Oh, my
He was just walking around like the hall of where they had like the wedding hall and just looking for liquor.
I would have been an asshole.
He found like a bottle of schnapps. He got drunk off that, but yeah, it was.
If you get drunk off schnapps, that's like.
That's sad, bro.
Dog, that's like.
sad.
That's desperation. That's like
Yeah.
Boone's Farm level shit.
Yeah, we was like, we're gonna spend the night. I was like, at 8 o'clock. I was like, all right, let's head back to New York. Fuck
Fuck
this.
it, yo.
Fuck this.
Niggas got
I'm
fronts
peeing-
here?
I was like, I'm gonna pee in a bottle while we're driving because I'm making a good time. Fuck that.
A dry wedding. I would have pulled up with fucking like 2 long neck bottles of Henny. Like, yo, nah.
But the last wedding I went to that was not not dry, I like sprained my ankle on the dance floor. So you know.
Oh, true. Yeah.
No, actually, shout out to my man G.
Silver
Still
linings.
just had a beautiful baby boy. Shout out to him. He indoctrinated him into being a Chicago Bears fan, a Nets fan.
Oh wow.
And God, I might be wrong, but a Mets fan as well.
Damn, poor kid.
Yeah, yeah.
Shout out to G though. You know what I'm saying? Lehman Lions represent.
You know what it is. But yeah. Though G's wedding was nice, classy wedding.
Classy.
And it was the first wedding I was able to flex because came through in the Tesla X.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
With the golf wings.
Yo, oh shit, yo. Actually, James, Bodega Hive member that works at the Tesla store. I will be in to test drive the thing. I'm sorry that I have not responded to your text. I don't know why I'm doing this on the show versus just texting you on the phone, but you know what I'm saying? Maybe I'm trying to slightly flex.
I don't know if that was a flex. We could do that, but shout out to Tesla, because Tesla be like, yo, you're not getting no kind of discount.
That was the wild shit, because homie came in and was like, yo, and I'm just like, all right, cool. Like, does this mean I get the shit for the low? Like,
nope.
They're like, yeah, I mean, but you don't really need like this model. Like this model it will be perfect for you. It's like 20 grand less. I was like, nigga, I ain't trying to
Fuck
go 20
that.
grand less. Nigga.
Nah, the one I test drive 200K.
Give me
Baby.
the top of the line.
Give
shit.
me everything.
All that shit.
Give me
nigga.
everything. All right.
Give me everything tonight. I want to be on Route 80, smack, nigga, not even driving my car, sleeping, and the car waking me up when I get home.
I mean, it did save my life, but I don't know how. Actually, no, I'm not even gonna hold that shit. It drove itself home. They was like, "Don't turn it off. Don't turn it on." Wink, and I was like, "Oh yeah,
Okay, yeah,
baby.
I know what you mean by that.
So, I kept my hands on. I'm not wild. I'm not like reading a book or some shit.
No, you're doing a lot.
I'm not jerking it wild, illsy. Yo, shout out to my cab driver in Hawaii who he had tabs on his thing.
I thought you were gonna say he jerked off in the cab while you
No,
were in the cab. Holy shit!
One of the tabs on his dashboard was like X videos, and I was like, wow.
Wow,
Like,
okay.
You a nasty island nigga. I was like, you making
shit.
macadamia nuts.
Okay. Niggas having a luau, nigga, when you get out the car, nigga.
Nigga really putting the apple in the pig's mouth.
Niggas having that loo.
Yeah.
I think we need to move Lonzo. That ain't no problem. Huh? That ain't no problem.
What the fuck? Oops.
That nigga making a volcano erupt. That's all we got. That nigga surfing. 10 toes deep.
Yeah, he's doing the hula. He's doing the horizontal hula.
He's staying at an all-inclusive resort.
Hey,
They're like, nah, this nigga booking on Expedia.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
.com.
.com. Hey. Is that special for nasty resorts?
Yo.
They need to make an adult resort, but I mean like adult. Like none of this like
because-
old fat people from like places you want to see.
That's what I'm
I just
saying.
want like hot people just banging all over the resort.
That's what I'm saying, because
Is that what we're setting up? We still know Susio Boys resorts?
as a young lad, I would watch illegal pornography. You know what I'm saying? When niggas had the illegal cable box, and Playboy Channel used to always advertise the Playboy hedonism cruise, where it's just like, yo. And I thought as like a fucking teenager, I'm like, yo, this is like the wild fuck fest. Like you go on this cruise and you just get you wild toppy, you getting in. It's just like mad Playboy models topping everybody off. No, according to sources, is just wild middle-aged flyover state people, mostly dudes, divorcees with shriveled gray penises walking around
Hey.
trying to get laid.
Gotta get why you get it. Niggas' dicks is like blowing in the wind.
Yeah, nah.
He's got the windsock.
Yeah, nah. So we gotta come with like an official, like, yo, you come here, you fucking.
So you basically trying to set up that clip that you showed to be from DR?
Yes. yes. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
There's a DJ playing Mad Sean Paul when you're getting topped off.
I mean,
What could be better? Sunshine, you know what I'm saying? Unlimited drinks, unlimited yapper, you know what I'm saying?
Suicide of the first Pizza Zoo Yapper tour.
Pizza Zootopia.
Pizza Zoo Toppy, yeah.
The Pizza Zootopia cruise.
Listen.
Oh shit, yo.
Last week we did Freestyle Fest,
You know what I'm saying?
and people was like, "I'd go to that."
Yo, I'll fuck with that.
That's it. Like Pizza Zoo Yap,
Toppy Fest?
like no clothes.
Yo, no, you don't show you come in with a fake name and shit. No pictures. You feel me?
Okay, well, first of all, if you're Dominican, you already came with a fake name. So
True.
You know what I'm saying?
Also, your other fake name. You know what I'm saying? The one that you don't put on your work papers.
For all my ladies, you don't gotta shave. I already see the struggle with the top lip, so I don't expect anything down there. You know what I'm saying?
It's all good, baby.
Come through with the chinchilla.
Yeah, I don't care. You know what I'm saying? That shit absorbs. It's sweat wicking. It's good.
Niggas is on the beach fucking and eating pizza.
That sounds like disgusting and great at the same time. I feel like it depends on how fucked up you are. If you're wild fucked up and somebody just gives you pizza and ass, nigga, like, yo,
Pizza and ass. Ass and pizza. Ass and pizza.
Ass and pizza. Ah. You know what I'm saying? That's literally what you look for when you fucked up. You're like, yo, I need to fuck and I need to eat.
I feel like a bunch of drunk people just naked on a beach.
that could be problems.
We're gonna have to pay a lot for security. I mean, we're probably gonna have to do one per one. Like each one person has one person watching them.
Two fat niggas fighting over a slice of pizza with their dicks hanging out and shit. Like, yo, nah.
Y'all fight over that chick. They're like, I'm fighting over that pepperoni.
That pepperoni, nigga. That's the last
Jason
pepperoni.
Whitlock, get out of here.
What are you doing here? I thought you didn't fuck with us. He's like, I don't fuck with y'all, but this pizza is hitting. Also, I'm trying to get my little dick sucked.
He's like, I'm not really good about the dick sucking. I'm here for the pizza. Nigga flew 2,000 miles for pizza. And I will fly 2,000 miles.
And I
He just has that playing on the headphones on and playing like.
He's like, da da da. I'm getting
The pizza. That's right. Little Jason Whitlock slander.
all day. Enjoy that. You know what I'm saying? You need that in your life.
He enjoys that.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to him. No.
You need it in your life. Spice up your life.
Yo, if you live near him and there's a Popeyes near you, he's the reason there's no more chicken sandwiches there.
Yeah, chicken sandwiches came and went. We gotta hype a new food that
Some new shit, right? Because I feel like ramen is played out because people find that is bad for you.
Cod liver oil.
Boom.
That's the new shit. Like
Cod liver oil.
All
Wow.
your friends is doing it, yo. Don't miss out, yo.
Yo, throw that shit in your drinks, you know what I'm saying?
Just start your day with a big tablespoon of cod liver oil.
Straight up.
Buy it from the blue box from the Jamaicans, yo, with the fish on it.
Like, yo, if it says like it can't be made in the United States.
Nah, it should gotta be made of shit at the bar. It don't even say a country, it just said made of foreign.
Yeah.
There you go. Just
Made
get that.
abroad. Mm-hmm. Made backyard.
Over there. Over there, them. You know where. You look where it's made, and it's just a picture of your aunt with her lips like, mind yours. Why you want to know?
Ask your Uncle Barrington.
Am I your age? Why are you asking questions as if we're the same age?
We're not,
I am not your friend nor your companion.
No. Respect your elders. Okay?
Type of shit that such an egregious crime when your mother picks you up. Your aunt gotta tell you. Your aunt gotta tell your mother that you did that. You know, he tried to talk to me as if we're the same age. Mm-hmm. Your mother's like,
I'm so sorry. You know what? Pow! Your mom's like, you like, yo, mom, I'm dead. I'm a grown ass man. I have a mortgage and children.
okay.
You don't have to do that. Yes, I did because you're talking to her like she's
Too
one of
familiar.
you. Huh?
Too familiar.
That's your sister? Huh? That's your friend?
I did that once. I was like, my aunt called, talked to my mother, and I was like, yo, Judy's on the phone, and it was like,
who?
excuse you? That's your Aunt Judy.
Ah,
I was
yes.
like, well, technically, she's like my third cousin once removed. She's not my aunt. You just said that because I was too young to figure it out. But I had to get on the phone. I was like, I'm sorry, Aunt
Dominicans, I feel like Dominicans take that shit to a whole nother level because Dominicans do a fucking thing called Bésame la mano, which literally means kiss my hand. Mm-hmm. And you have to greet your parents and your uncles and your aunts or whatever by saying bendición, papá, tío, whatever, which means God bless you, aunt. God bless you. You know what I'm saying? Or whatever. And then they're just like, yeah, God bless you too, nigga. So like that's like the response. It's like, yeah, God bless you too, nigga. Whatever, get out of here.
So you mean to tell me Dominicans have come up with a whole new way to kiss their family members?
Kiss the hands.
Yeah, that's how it starts.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Easy.
My new porno site, Dominican POV. Oh no, I made too many plantains. Who can help me? They just sneak up behind the umbrella, like they get a text me.
I feel like Americans invented that shit because every time I go on a pedo site, it's always like, mom, fuck son. I'm like, no.
Stepmom.
Nah, they get egregious with it.
Close. You get in trouble. You can't just put mom. That's incest. You can't. If you look closely on porn site, it's never like straight up mom fuck son. Or if it says that, it says fake. Because you get in trouble for that. So it has to say stepmom. That's the loophole.
Horny mom.
Horny stepmom.
Horny stepmom.
You can't just be like, if you're on a site and it just says straight up mom,
get the fuck out of there.
like, you want some other shwant you gonna click on the wrong shit. Niggas be on shit doing like, yeah. You like watching little kids with little dickies?
Huh? Yeah.
You want to end up on Law and Order?
Huh?
You have Ice-T yelling at you?
You raped her.
Ice-T, this case has nothing to do with rape. It's about like child porn.
You child pornographied her.
Okay, I'm asking.
I saw this in narcotics.
I'm asking you to like leave the room because you're not helping with anything right now.
I'll be back.
Also, you made a song called Cop Killer. How are you a cop now?
Because I killed that cop just so I could take his job. Because I felt like I could do it better. You understand? Coco, bring me some cereal.
Wait a minute. Hold on a second. That's not Ice-T. That's Ray J. Wait a minute.
Hey, cuz. Hey, cuz. I'm just trying to get in the industry, cuz. That's all.
Wow.
Hey, I got my bunny eyes, cuz.
You thought you were going to sneak in. But I knew from the jump. I looked at you and I said, isn't that Brandy's brother?
Hey, man. Come on, dog. Hey, look. I got an indoor pool. I got an outdoor pool. I got 9 Phantoms. You going to disrespect me like that? Talk about I'm Brandy's brother? How about you say Brandy is my sister?
How about this? If I had one wish,
huh?
I wish for you to get the fuck out of here.
Wow, dog. You using my own lyrics against me? That's cool. But we gonna see you, cuz.
All right.
I'm gonna see you on a scooter, nigga.
Your sister's outside to drive you home. You make sure you wear a seatbelt.
Thank you. The airbag is already deployed, nigga. Yo, damn.
We have mad beef with Brandy Hive.
Yo, Brandy Hive.
This is her behind 5 burners. Is the summer over? Is it September now? Wow.
Yeah, summer's over.
I thought summer would have been worse in here. It's pretty hot, but it's not like stupid hot.
Yeah, it's summer's over. I was at the supermarket and somebody was like, "Yeah, summer's over," but it's still warm. It's like kind of like it's like
where do you live? Mayberry? You talk to people at the supermarket?
Yeah, mine.
Why?
I'm a nice guy. I'm affable. And people see me and I feel like people see me and they kind of like, I think I see this guy on TV or something like that. So let me just say something to him and see if it's the guy. And then that just opens the avenue for communication. But Shorty was just like,
you don't do what I do. And just like, don't talk to me, you mosquito.
I'm almost there. Not yet.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for my kids to do it first. Once Mero Jr. does it first and he's just like, you mosquito. You know what I'm saying? Then I'll be like, yeah, good. Now we could all start. You know what I'm saying? And keep consistency with the fucking Hollywoodness. You know what I'm saying? But I say that to say this. Shorty was in line and she was asking me about the summertime. Summertime's over. I said, yeah, it's September. Summertime's over. It's a wrap. And then she proceeded to call it Indian summer, which I beg the question, is that a problematic term?
I mean, it's a good thing. It's good. There's you can't. Some things are not problematic. Like if Indian summer, that's a good thing. Indians can't be mad about that. The whole thing about
which Indians, West Indians, like Indian Indians.
I don't know. The whole thing that black people can dance well. What are you mad about? It's true.
Yeah.
Asian people are good at math. Take it.
I'm shit. If motherfuckers came out tomorrow and be like, yo, Dominicans got the biggest dicks in the world and they're the smartest people on the planet,
you know what
stereotypically, I'd be like, yeah, fuck it, let's do it. I'm with it.
It is. That's what it is, baby. Gotta say what it is, because you know what? I'm tired of this cancel culture. I'm tired of this. Can't say what you want. You know who these people are? These people? White people. They don't know. I'm gonna get jumped by Dave Chappelle. Dave Chappelle big as fuck. He'll beat the shit out. Maybe that's why he wants to fight niggas.
Yeah.
Maybe that's the whole thing. He was like, yo.
Him and Jeff Bezos, bro. They getting brolic on niggas. They're like, yo, I dare you.
I say something.
Say my shit is whack. Gay.
What if Dave Chappelle beat the shit out of like one person that was like, yo, the special is trash? Does that change the game? Does that change? Does that change the dynamics of all comedy forever?
Oh yeah, forever.
Because then you have to be like, yo, can I write this check? Can I say this thing and
not get washed?
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying. You have to get your fist, get your, you know what I'm saying, hammer game up.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? If you want to talk spicy, he's brolic. He will beat the bricks over these one of these like, you know what I'm saying, like freelance writer niggas.
Yeah. Imagine Dave Chappelle beat the shit out of you while you waited 2 months for a freelance check. You gonna be sick, nigga.
You feeling on the invoice, nigga? All of a sudden you just get, oh shit, chill. Actually, Larry kicking you in your ribs and shit while you on the floor.
You in the middle of opening the email, bringing this back to your attention. And this nigga just punch you in the back of your head.
Man hard.
Hate to see it. Dear Buzz. Ow!
Oh shit.
Nigga beat you while you making a poll.
Yo.
Anyway, the Popeyes chicken, the spicy sandwich is canceled. The new thing, the new hot food.
What is it?
White Castle's clam strips.
Oh yeah,
That's
if you eat
right.
those, you a real one.
That's it right there.
You
Go get
super
those.
real. You super real if you eat those.
Yo, you gotta get them right now. You gotta get them fresh in the morning when they come in fresh from Orchard Beach.
Clam strip challenge, yo.
Right?
Clam strip challenge. Try to figure out which is clam and which is chewed up double mint.
It's not, okay?
You know what I'm saying?
Maybe you're lucky it's the foreskin.
You know what I'm saying? Straight up.
All right, if you're chewing for more than 4 minutes, it's a baby dick ring. DK, let me get the crave case, the jalapeno poppers, and let me get 15 clam strips. Like, no. That's the point. You're gonna be like, damn, she gonna give me a UTI.
Yo, facts. Yo.
There's no way you could watch a girl smash 10 clam strips and then be like, oh, she's sexy.
Yeah, no, I've been there. Dog, I'm just watching her eat them shits. I'm like,
She got mad clam strip crumbs in the bed.
it's just all day. You wake up and shit, the greasy bag is still on the fucking night table. You like,
Oh, 10 clam strips, is that for both of us? He like, you thought?
yo, can I get one of them clam strips?
Stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Looking off in the distance like, wow.
10 years.
10
You
years.
can't give me one clam strip?
Never one clam strip.
Wow.
She finished up, take the wild dump in the bathroom, she come out, she's like, all right, you ready? Like, ready to go to sleep, nigga? Like, what's wrong with you? Nigga, you better get your Ursula ass out of here.
Fuck out of here.
Fucking burp. It smell like a Little Mermaid.
Yo, clam strip challenge, yo. Bodega Hive. Yo, throw pictures up, all that shit. Clam strip challenge.
Don't get clams.
Let's get this White Castle
All
money.
right, shout out to all my strippers. You know what I'm saying? All right, everywhere could be Rivera's if you got tartar sauce.
You know what I'm saying? Word.
As a kid, that always confused me because I was like, all right, we're trying to fight tartar on our teeth.
But
they made something called tartar sauce.
Why?
Make it make sense.
You putting tartar on my teeth and then I got to brush it off at night? That seems counterproductive.
Why is it Red Lobster? Why it's not? You know why we gotta bring color into this? Why it's not just called lobster?
You know the lobsters. You know why, brother? Because they're trying to erase the lobsters. What color is the lobster in the tank, brother?
Blue.
That's right.
That's right.
They're trying to erase.
Okay, and blue is closer to black than it is to red.
Exactly, brother.
And they see that.
Now you see where I'm going.
Okay,
Open-
people forget.
You know what I'm saying?
People forget when we used to live in harmony. You know what I'm saying? The 12 tribes of Israel.
That's right.
And we lived with the lobsters. And that's why we was like, you don't eat shellfish.
That's
'Cause
right.
We was like, yo, that's the homie right
That's
there.
one of us.
That's why we not eat
know
them.
what I'm saying?
But now the man has been manipulated, transliculated.
That's right.
You know how transgendified.
That's right.
They're taking the word. They're taking the word. They have put it through the Hasbro Play-Doh press.
You know what I'm
they
saying?
put it through. They pressed the words, and it came through as the shape of a star, a long star. And now, if you're not that smart and you're an infant, you're gonna eat that star.
That's right.
And as a parent, you're gonna look and you're gonna say, "Oh my God, he ate the star." And you
Why?
look at the canister, and it says, "You know what? It's not toxic." And you're gonna be like, "Oh, okay, he's okay."
He's cool now.
But now he can't get in the gifted program because now he got Play-Doh on his Abdullah Mangangata.
That's right.
Whatever that was.
You know what I'm saying?
If that Carson was still here, he'd help
That
me.
part. Well, the medulla oblongata is part of the brain that controls the necessary functions of your body, such as breathing.
It sounds like a freestyle
and
band.
defecating.
Yeah.
But also that's
Okay.
very true.
And that's how Red Lobster is breaking apart the black family.
That's right.
Boom.
Stay woke, open your third eye.
Think
stupid.
about that.
You know what I'm saying?
Think about this. Why does Lobster Fest always fall on Juneteenth? Think about why does the Red Lobster in Harlem have built-in gratuity?
They assume you're not gonna tip. Why? Why? Because we black.
Say it loud.
Huh?
Say it loud.
You know what I'm saying? Tired of this.
How come when you go there as a black family, they make the father sit? Okay, I made that part up. That's not even that part of it. I'm sorry. We get the wild cease to desist from the Darter group.
Like, yo, you niggas that go to Red Lobster, Outback, Sizzler.
They're like, yo, you like I get the wild phone call. They go like, Don, why am I buying from Olive Garden? I'm like, I can explain.
Shit.
I mean, I can send y'all breadsticks
right now.
they're not never lasting. I'm like, okay, first of all, they're not.
true.
They're just if you just like microwave them,
That's it.
they're everlasting. Like
They go on forever. They're
Yeah.
not. They're not.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
it's not the never ending story.
I'm not sure they're real bread.
So my father at my father at Olive Garden over the fucking everlasting breadsticks. Like, I'll trade you.
Nigga riding a breaststick like Falcor. Like, yeah.
The never ending breadsticks.
He's like, I would like the house wine, please.
The waitress comes, he started winding up on her. And my mother is not pleased at all.
He's like, that's not what I meant when I say wine.
Why am I His new complaint is he said Red Lobster changed the blue cheese recipe for the salad. To be fair, they did. They did. My father's right.
Okay.
Because the cheese in the blue cheese now is like straight white. It doesn't have the blue specks.
The blue specks.
So he said that affects the flavor. So.
Yeah. Do you like blue cheese chunky or less chunky?
I like it chunky. I like that shit nasty.
Mad chunky?
I like that shit.
I just like the flavor.
I'm lactose intolerant, so I'm like, if I'm gonna like be sick,
we gotta go all out.
Sick, go all out.
Yeah,
Nigga, pour ricotta right in my mouth.
Balls to the wall. Yeah.
Pour that shit on me like I just hit a walk off home run. Okay, get a big Gatorade bucket of ricotta and just pour that shit on my shoulders on a 90-degree day. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Emilio's on Tremont. I got an eggplant parm there, and I knew that shit was gonna fuck me all the way up. That shit was gonna fuck me all the way up.
Nigga.
And I said, "Yo, put extra cheese on that shit."
Good.
Fuck that. And
Nigga,
put the
I got a
Parmesan on top.
calzone the other day. I took one bite. Nigga, my stomach. You would have thought I was testing a Sonos system the way my stomach rumbled. That shit was like.
That shit the wild low end, nigga.
That shit was like the Dolby stereo was now on. I was like, oh wow.
THX thing.
At that point, I know my body is just like in the control room. They're like, he's doing it.
Why does he keep doing this?
Why does he do it? Divert all attention.
We need all our resources, all our manpower.
Keep that butthole closed.
This is man like cells. Like trying to hold your butthole closed. Like
you can't hold much longer.
Kind of do it. Kind of.
He's eating all of it. I put it down. They're just like,
it's pretty good.
Niggas napping in place and shit. This is their D-Day and shit.
Niggas say, eat a calzone. I'm sweating. Woo.
I am a rookie. I wasn't built for this.
Oh no,
Billy.
So I was just holding your butt. Nigga just get sucked out of your butthole like that.
Billy, not everyone was gonna make it back, but you were brave.
Nigga writes a letter to his mom. Billy died.
Billy, you're gonna be a good soldier.
He tried to keep the butthole closed. He tried valiantly.
Then the wind like blows my hat off, and Billy runs in front of my butthole, and I'm just out to fart, and he's like, Billy! Nigga blown to his death. Billy!
The story, the ballad of Billy the Blood Cell.
Rest in peace, Billy. Tell me I was a good butt cell. Tell me I was a good butt cell. I was just be scratching my butt. Had a police read on 233. Like, yeah. Pepperoni. Smells the same coming out.
Yeah.
Hey, my Albanian guy with the J in his name. Give me another one.
Every Albanian guy has multiple J's in his name. Niggas say be like Jejat Degaj.
He's like, my name is Tommy. I'm like, how do you spell that? He's like J-O-J-E-R.
No, your name is Jojoji.
I was like, you know what? Oh, okay. I see the machete behind there. So
I'm gonna chill. Why would you tape a butcher knife to your chest?
You're moving different.
Yeah, that's a factual fact. I'm not even gonna say who did that because
let big body best live. Hey! Niggas just living their best life out here.
You know what I'm saying?
I think at the end of the day, it's not about race. It's not about creed. It's not about color.
No, it's not.
It's not about that.
The souls are colorless. Brother, that's right.
It's all about supporting Jay-Z as he destroys.
That's right.
The NFL from the inside out. I think what's
Jay's like, yo, y'all hitting each other too hard. Maybe we try using like flags, like to keep it hip hop though. We'll use bandanas.
I mean, I don't want to say anything, but there's way too many black people in the league.
You know what I'm saying?
Maybe we just go back to the old days when it was just like white guys with straight cuts.
Let's bring back the XFL, call it the DMXFL, and have him be the fucking, the president of the league.
Oh, dude, it's murder.
Come on, man. It's right. We doing it.
Jay-Z's going to bring the NFL back to when it was just forward passes and shit.
Yo, in the pocket. Like, no running allowed.
And we will fight for our Jets.
Fight till the end, till the last whistle blows.
Yeah, I'm sorry you can't play in this game. I'm sorry, Odell. This is a sundown town.
Yo.
And your game's at 7 and sundown's at 6. So bye, little nigga.
Bye. Take it easy. And practice your dances in the locker room, Big Nog.
Pick that whoa while you're wooing your way out this place. How about that? Oh, shit. All right, that got dark. Is it dark if it's factual?
No. It's just the reality of life.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying?
Jay-Z's going to buy a Riker, turn it into a W Hotel.
You already know.
But charge the people who are there already.
Oh, man. And he's going to leave it. He's going to be like, it's going to be an experience hotel. God damn. It's like those stupid hotels, like the one that's like totally made out of ice.
That'd be kind of cool. Like if you're a tourist and like if you are wild and sensitive and they're like, yo, my room was like on a real cell block with real inmates.
Yo, when the Central Park 5 was here, yo.
Yo, mad, like fucking mad Swedish families online for the chow line and shit. Dankenspogen.
Dankens Bobby Schmarderspogen. Schmarder.
They stopped Bobby last night.
Oh, my son wing. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, it's hip hop. Real hip hop.
Niggas power walking on the yard and shit. The guard's like, no, you can't go over there. That's for the Mexicans only. He's like,
They got a souvenir shop where they sell the air Patakis and shit. Like, the little pins you can put in them and shit. Like,
niggas going back to Switzerland with the fucking cheese sandwich.
Yo, I survived Rikers t-shirts and shit. Like, oh, damn.
Niggas taking pictures with like holding box cutters to each other's throats. Like, At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, $1.50.
Yo, we're gonna recreate a prison riot, y'all.
Prison riots are at 145, 345, and 627.
Thank you for your attention to detail.
Okay.
Well, the COs are like Matt Whimsical and shit. Like, hi, I'm CO Marshall, and this is C-74. This is where Julio Gonzalez tore the eyeballs out of Juan Gonzalez. They were actually related. Juan Gonzalez, astoundingly enough, was a AA prospect for the Yankees. Yes. Do you have a question?
How often do people with the same last name stab each other on this place?
Pretty often. You'd be surprised.
Oh, wow,
There's a lot of black and Latinos here.
That's a pretty interesting fact.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Tour guide.
And this here itself here on the right, Tyrone and Trevor had a disagreement, and that ended up with Tyrone cutting Tyrone's penis off. Question?
Oh, hi. I came here from Arkansas.
Welcome.
Welcome. Real Tide. You haven't talked enough about the anal rape. Is there a lot of anal rape happens here?
All the time.
Okay.
It's one of the main attractions here.
More about it. Perhaps show us a place where it happened and talk about it in graphic detail. Perhaps just be very descriptive. Please tell what they were wearing.
Absolutely.
And just describe them. Were they like buck Negroes?
They were very strong, virile.
A lot of
black men and Latino men. Yeah, in the showers together.
I don't know if it's relevant or anything. Did their cocks have like veins on them?
Yes, they were very veiny.
Okay, so I would like to know: did one put his mouth in the other? Was there penetration?
Yes, they did all of that stuff, and surprisingly enough, nobody was circumcised. So you can imagine it was a lot of fun. But yeah, so this concludes the tour. This is extremely problematic, and I'm gonna get the fuck out of here.
They do what on the record store? Black Twitter, assemble. Oprah gets a highlight. Fucking Sean King gets a highlight. Jay-Z's phone lights up, but he turns it upside down. Beyonce's like, what's that? But it's nothing.
It's nothing. It's nothing. Don't worry about it. I was just trying to buy an island.
Questlove playing and selling me some more samples.
That's right.
I don't even sample anymore.
I don't sample. I don't write it. I recite it.
To quote my 5th album. We off that.
That's right. Pound cake. Nigga. I don't even know what I'm saying.
Stop drawing on that Basquiat. What you wildin'?
Actually, it looks exactly the same. Fuck it.
Oh my God. Yo, twins, pick up your stuff. Oh my God, this house is a mess. It looks like Marcy.
Ain't nothing nice.
Cough up a lung if you went from. Please don't cough up a lung. That means you might have tuberculosis and I'm not properly vaccinated.
Please.
I'm scared of
Let
needles.
me know. I'll put on a mask to avoid infection.
You know Jay-Z's gonna come out as an anti-vaxxer next.
Oh God, I can't wait. Crystal anti-vaxxer Jay is around the corner.
He been hanging with that Goop chick.
Yo, is he good? Is he vegan yet?
Not yet. No, him and Beyonce went vegan for a month.
For a month? Okay.
People forget. Remember Jay-Z and Beyonce went to Cuba?
Yeah.
And people were really upset. And he did like it was called the Open Letter Freestyle. He was like mad tight about it. And it basically was like, yo, I got money to go to Cuba. How you feel? Oof. If you had the chance to do it, you'd do it too. And I was like,
oh wow. I mean, I guess. I mean, my sister went to Cuba. Is it mad impressive to go to Cuba?
I don't even know because I used to have to sneak to Cuba, but I think you could just hop on like a JetBlue flight. Yeah. Or some shit. I don't know. I don't know.
I mean, I'll go to Cuba. Cuba sounds lit.
Yeah.
It's just like another tropical destination.
Instead of Cuba, I'll go to Sasaque Fuego. I mean, that's close enough for Cuba.
You know what I'm saying? Don't go key. You know what I'm saying? A little something. Get a little Sasago and shit. A little Celia Cruz.
What's her favorite song? What's her
Azúcar.
Yes, it was about diabetes and Latino.
Yeah, that's right.
community.
She was woke.
She was like, my leg.
She's like, my toe, I cannot feel it anymore. I think I have diabetes, type 1, insulin.
That was a joint. I remember that. She was
banger.
in that
Atlantic Quarters, I heard that. First time live.
was
Changed my
she
life.
in that Optimum commercial?
Yes.
Optimum cable.
Did
877-313-444.
whenever you able.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Shout out to Celia Cruz.
You know what I'm saying? She's out here.
Because she went to DR and she got the wild cheek surgery, right?
She probably did. Do they do cheek surgeries in Cuba? Oh, that's not allowed.
I think they use their surgery for like operations and blood transfusions.
Like
and shit.
actual
shit.
Like
yeah.
actual.
Yeah, I mean, like if everyone has like a big butt, why are you getting a big butt?
True. Mm-hmm. But you know, as a cishet male, I enjoy a big butt.
Are you a sissy?
Cishet.
You a sissy?
Cishet.
This nigga a sissy. He said cishet.
I'm gonna just start throwing these shits out everywhere.
I just found a new barbershop. If I say cishet and that shit, nigga.
Fam, I went to shout out to my nigga Donovan. I
They
went
be
to
like, you got AIDS? I'm like, what?
What does that mean?
Nigga, I said cishet.
What the fuck, bruh?
Dude, that's some Nazi shit.
Yo, I went to fucking my man Donovan. Shout out to my man Donovan. You know what I'm saying? Big up. And fucking, I went to his barbershop and I was just like, bruh, this is like quintessential. Like, yo, don't say motherfuckers. I heard conversations in there that I will not even repeat here. The problematic light is not strong enough.
No. Every now, because you saw the Lil Nas X with Kevin Hart and all that stuff. And I was like, our barbershop's that problematic. And I was like, oh, my last barbershop, niggas constantly were like arguing over which prison was the realest.
That's Clinton, nigga.
Nah, cause nigga, I was holding down the milk machine, you know what I'm saying? I was bashing niggas in the fucking face.
You know what I'm
you
saying?
know, there's like you hear the fucking cell doors open and niggas just get stabbed through. That was a real fucking prison. Also, you know what I'm saying? The water was warm. I like that. And
Let me tell you
look out
something.
the window, there was like sheep.
You know what I mean? Y'all, you know what I'm saying? Y'all older niggas, you know what I'm saying? Talking about, yo, I was a Supermax, nigga, prison's pussy, nigga. Rikers is where the real niggas is wilding at, you know what I'm saying? Because we all young bloods, nigga. We try to get our name up, our rep up, so I'm gonna chop your fucking face.
Yo, fuck you, you little nigga. You don't know about old
word?
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, word.
You was out there with nothing. Your name don't ring no bells. You ever be in prison? It could be like, they do that whole your name don't ring no bells shit. You like, not prison, in the barbershop. You like,
ooh, goddamn.
I'm like,
oh, that's like the ultimate diss.
I'm like, also, I'm not going, ooh, because you said his name don't ring no bells. Nigga, you've had Noxzema on my face for 10 minutes.
Yes, it's burning!
Nigga, nigga, did you just take a dirty towel and microwave it?
You couldn't find out it's not Noxzema, it's just Nair. They just put Nair in the Noxzema tub.
I would not be surprised.
Like, y'all don't got no eyelashes. What happened?
I'll go back. You be aight. You be aight.
Yo!
Such a sad state of affairs.
Oh, man.
You know what's not sad? We've done another one. Episode 169.
169.
Still free, 99. Still giving the Bodega High what you need. When you get it, not when you want it.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, it's your boy Desus Nice, like a young Chipotle. Also, shout out to Kendall Jenner, you know what I'm saying? Who came through with a wild Dos Toros order yesterday.
Whoa.
Like,
talking about crates full of that shit.
Crate full. They have all the PAs pushing that shit. Yo, shout out to Dos Toros. You out here.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Chipotle giving me the lifetime. Gave me a year card, right?
Oh, yeah.
A year. It was wild. That was the same week they gave Cardi B the lifetime.
Oh.
Actual wooden card.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Crazy part is I actually be in Chipotle. That's Chipotle on 125th Street.
Yeah.
And it's like,
also, I feel like you kind of were a pioneer.
Yeah.
You were an early adopter.
I was an early adopter.
Pioneer.
You know, that's how these big brands do you. And then you'll get like some cheery email from marketing team. But sorry, here's some cards for you. I think I want for the life.
For life.
I want my grandkids to eat Chipotle.
You gonna get Big Sean one? You're not gonna get my man one?
Big Sean!
How dare you?
Okay?
I want to see a picture of Big Sean and Chipotle.
Okay.
Motherfucker.
Who?
The disrespect, man. It's disgusting, man.
And my money's like Chipotle. I got guac. Yeah, that's probably a lot of people say.
Wow.
All right, you guys happy with that?
Yeah.
Huh?
That's all you want? That's all you want? I heard that shit, nigga. I was like,
But I digress. Back to the regularly scheduled AKAs. Pocket stay fat like Terrio. AKA Pocket stay fat like who? Woo! Here we go. Hey. That's right. Look for me and Mero. We're gonna be on Paw Patrol. Hey. That's right. We are the Cool and Tell boys. That's right. That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
Take that, black people. Somebody I might know you, bitch.
Working with Chase.
Hey, you guys know about any Antifa crimes? We're gonna be Antifa on fucking Paw Patrol. Can't wait.
Let's talk with the ski
black flag, yeah. Arkany. Who is it? Chase? We're bringing out Chase. Yeah, that's right. Photoshop us into dogs, and it's gonna be like all dogs that work for the government are bastards. And we're gonna throw a brick right into the Paw Patrol headquarters. We're gonna slash the fire truck tires.
They're gonna bring it out because they're Canadian, and then Matt Polite will be like, I believe you lost your brick, eh?
Fuck you, bastards!
Yes, all
down with capitalism,
anarchy.
Death to Chase! Death to Chase!
Death to Chase!
Can I see this shit?
He's like, hey guys, why would you do that?
All the dogs are wild anxious, like,
Robo's like,
something feels weird.
What should I do?
I can shoot down the fucking plane.
Yo, no dog is too big, nigga. No dog is too small. Yeah, motherfucker, hold this bazooka.
We shoot that shit down like the Ukraine.
Blame it on Russia.
Niggas get investigated by Bellingcat. Jesus Christ. All right, young Dave Party, young hot chick. DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a rondo. That's right. All right, let this bird get whatever chicken she wants.
Yeah, she can have whatever she wants. I don't care.
1994 in Nueva York. That's right. Miguel going off the Juve boss. MC Looking P. I did not go to Juve this year because I wanted to live.
Ooh.
Okay.
Yes. Also, it was raining.
That's simple. It wasn't raining. That was just the tears of property owners.
Oh,
just raining down. MC looking P. Juve is not fun. If you don't carry a legal gun, Juve is not fun. I'm sorry. I'm keeping it 100% real. There are certain events where at some point in your life you're like, damn, Wilder. When Desus was Wilder, Desus would have been better off here. Yeah. Because now it's like, oh, niggas start busting. I gotta just run.
Yeah, you got your on bounce.
Oh, 3 Jesus? So I was like, we all got guns?
Yeah.
All right,
we're good now. We good.
And I came all the way from the Bronx, so I'm not going home tonight.
No, I'm gonna body one of y'all and stay in your crib.
Fuck that.
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna body you and go home with your girl.
Nigga be so drunk, you hear like the bullets talking to you like, let me out.
Let me out. Let me out.
Let me fly.
Eject me. Yeah.
I'm my angel. Let me fly.
You know, nobody has fun at Juve like the one cop that goes viral for daggering on the fucking sidelines. Stop doing that shit.
And he probably has like a fucking brutality complaint or some shit.
Oh, you already know.
He's on some message board like, yeah, I'm glad Eric Gardner's dead.
Yeah, fuck him.
Fuck him.
Yeah, piece of shit. He's selling so hands fucking sick. Yeah. Can't breathe my ass.
Big going viral. Like, oh, a Calypso cop rocks Eastern Parkway.
Hey, I'm Gothamist.
Put up for 40 with your shorty. Ooh, like, yo, swish. That's your man? He got a late night show? Oh, didn't think so. Oh. Hey, Kale, talk to me in the Uber pool.
I don't fucking know you.
I don't know you. I don't know you. I don't know you. I'm not even talking to the driver.
Why?
Okay.
No. They have settings for that now. Conversation. None.
Right. Driver got a sign in the back that's like, yo, I need a gallbladder. Or roll the window down, throw that shit out. Like, you nigga.
Fuck you.
Papers conversation. How dare you? The original my +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss.
Don't do it.
Matter of fact, I didn't even RSVP to this shit. I'm just showing up.
I don't care.
All right? Okay. So me and 30 of my goons show up at a MAGA rally talking about we down with Diamond and Silk. You let us in.
Motherfucker.
Okay.
Yes, our guns are showing. This is open carry state.
Yes. Don't like it, leave it. These Rossi Jamaican Jew, you know what I'm saying? They're about to turn up for the next holiday, Ramadan.
Yeah, Rosh Hashanah.
Close enough?
Actually, was it Passover? No, Passover. No, Passover was no.
I feel like was Passover like every week or
Hanukkah? It's
Hanukkah?
in April?
Hanukkah?
I think it might be Hanukkah. Might be Hanukkah. So for 8 days, we're going to turn up.
That's not till like December though, right?
It changes.
There's no like high holy days in between that? Like a filter fish day or some shit?
I gotta check my calendar.
All right.
I gotta check my calendar.
Do you have a special Jew calendar?
It's 50.
Goyim's can't find?
5778. It's hidden in my basement.
5778. Yeah, baby. Does he go to Judy synagogue?
Bring Freddie Wap as the cancer.
We're Sherman in New York. I'm in touches with New York.
Morocco's all alone. Yeah, baby.
Jermaine Avocados, Young Pollard goes to Mufasa. Young Shaq Cooley out the Coolery. A.K. Tilly Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Get okay. Two Phone Jones, DJ Mockin, the J Chuck with Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonds label. Dilute. Three times. Dilute one more time. Did not Javio. This is 240 Peacock out my Pinot Blurry. Yeah. My blurry, I mean nasty.
Yeah, I don't know who that is.
I mean, I don't know who that is.
Are they doing anal or vaginal?
I'm whacking it so hard, I don't even know what I'll look up and I don't even know what the scene is. I gotta take 30 seconds to be like, yo.
Shit just automatically autoplay to the next shit. Like,
what is this?
Is this hentai? How do I get into hentai?
This is a lot here. DJ Woolite, he watched the film. Up next. Shout out to my guy BX. Because he was locked up with this guy and he was like, yo, you never mentioned it on the fucking podcast.
Oh shit.
So my guy Box got locked up one weekend with Hellro and this artist. You might know his name.
Don't wanna see what that drama mean. Get some
Summer
sun on a Ghana queen. Now all I want is hits, bitch. Wayne signed a fiend. I play the side.
How many syllables can you fit in a bar?
A lot of DJs, they don't play his verse when they play 6 foot, 7 foot.
That's, you know why? That's called motherfucking bars, nigga. You know nothing about that.
Hate to see it. Hate to see it. Yeah, Jesus. Hate to see it. Listen, if you listen to hip hop, you don't make a face like you're passing a stone. You're not really.
Yo, you gotta be like.
Nasty. The Curry Goat, Desus Spicer, Jamal Hassman, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno,
right.
Not Container, the Human Mimic. Bring back Fire Festival. We're having an Orchard Beach.
Yeah.
Young Aaron, the Provocateur, Henry Bloodcoast, Nelson Bank, Della, Serge, you can't see me, Vladimir Booth, and humor world is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex, the Decadent, Ricky Tiki, Squad, Great. Feel that heat, that humidity there.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Sound like an Avant song. More says with your chestnut. My Magambi, not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber. You suppress, but your boy never is.
Never.
Even if I'm in a pressed juice store and I'm like, yo, y'all niggas got coffee? They're like, it's pressed juices. So I was like, oh. So that means no?
Fuck this coffee.
Fuck that. I am the art, damn it. The Dundadiga Noodles, the Gorn Cup of Noodles, the Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Over, Casanova. Really makes sense. 5 cents, 10 cents, $1. Forget the small change.
What you need? What you want?
Big money one.
God damn.
I think we should, yo, Vashti, what up? We should do a benefit party for the Bahamas.
That's right.
Let's make it happen.
Let's make it happen, B.
All right,
You know what I'm saying?
Let's come together for immigrants.
All of my people in the West Indies.
Let's do it.
Come on, raise money with me.
That's right. It's called Aki and Saltfish.
That's right.
Let's go.
Pow, let's get it.
Don't have to much salute. It's Dipset.
You know what I'm saying?
Saga, catch me at square one, top left, man's is what?
Yo, Marv, bro, don't cheese me, bro.
Oh, wow.
Toronto Raptors defending champions, bro. Isn't it?
I want to say Kawhi's buns for leaving, but, you know, he went off for good benefits.
So, you know,
so
I respect him, man.
Wish him the best. True Rizzuto. Holy cow. My cousin saw a guy that has a gun once. He just stopped. All I do is count checks and jerk off.
Yeah.
That's right. Jerk off to the point. My MacBook be like, yo, my nigga, you serious?
What are you doing?
This is the 10th time you've loaded this site today.
Dog.
Yo, fam.
You really like this cam girl, huh?
Yo, fam. They're like, yo, it hasn't even updated. It's the same videos.
Fam.
Same videos for 2 days.
It's a trailer.
Jesus Christ.
God damn.
Wow. You know why this is the most popular? Because you watch it.
Because you watch it, motherfucker.
You don't even get past the 13th mark.
Are you in this shit?
Come on, bro.
Are you fucking Manuel Ferrara, nigga? Oh, yes. Oh, do like this. Yes, go like this. Oh, do like this, like this. Yes.
Oh, wow. We're going vintage. You jerking off the shit from high school. Wow.
Nigga beating me to Caramel and Obsession. Wow. Janet Jack me.
Wow. The video where Coffee Brown works at the museum gift shop.
Wow. Okay.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
You need help, you sicko. These are rare about these are Blake. She's Coffee Brown. She used to she used to say good morning to me every day on Twitter back in like 09.
Straight up.
You know what it is. Andrew Conanan. That's right. I'll kill you and then vogue over your body. AKA the Junior, Andy God Jr. Come sit down, pop me.
Yo, sit on it.
Talk about that wireless charger.
No wireless charger. You must penetrate with that charger.
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze and I also might lose your animal while cleaning them. The topic of gossip is Sayasit. Shout out to the 11791.
You got the Coke nose in your spoon.
Wow, this must be the wrong train because there's another Nick night tonight, but there sure are a lot of black people on it.
Wow. Wow.
Can't wait for hockey season.
Yeah, I can't. I'm moving to the Billy Joel car.
Who the fuck are you talking to? I'm with the captain of lacrosse.
That's right.
Syosset High School, 1993. Okay? Ask Benny O'Sullivan how I put it on.
That's right.
All right? Then I finger banged Teresa. It was at a Kid Cudi concert.
Yo, we smoking pot.
And after that, we went to Mars 2112.
Yeah, it was fucking great.
It was great.
Yeah.
Okay, Grandpa.
Yeah, niggas. There was a school trip there, but fuck it was great.
I don't give a fuck. I'm a badass. I didn't even go back with the other kids. I waited. I paid for a peak ticket. Told my father, you piece of shit, pick me up from the parking lot.
Asshole.
It's called park and ride. You park the fucking ride and pick me up.
Yeah,
Fucking garbage.
I know you can leave the keys over the tire, you fucking jerk.
Fucking asshole.
I'm driving the car home myself.
Oh, let me guess. We're going home to Elizabeth because mom's left you. Garbage. Ugh.
Shout out to Elizabeth.
Oh, my father. Wow. Used to run the fucking #1 Radio Shack in Syosset. Not looking so hot for you anymore. Huh? How many AC to DC adapters are people buying nowadays, Dad? Huh?
Hey, asshole.
Huh?
Don't forget your name tag, you fucking jerk.
Garbage.
Fucking shithead.
Oh, retirement.
I'm gonna go to NYU and spend more of your money on coke.
Ridiculous. Probably fall into the river during the first freshman night. And put up mad missing pictures of me. All right. Okay. All right. No mas.
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
Okay, Grandpa Joker, when you see Charlie, you see me, don't touch that golden ticket. Okay, your man's dead IDs this morning, Sheriff. Hey, it's nice Williams to know. It'd be a shame if some of these rice cookers disappeared. If I boofed them. Put mad Lou on the roof. Rice cooker like, I'm good.
I'm good. So you have a power cable hanging out your ass?
I gotta go. Been shopping that street easy like a bad breeze like I'm easy. Please believe in the black Asiatic addict who cracked your back with automatic craftmatic, Mr. Lamarina, and Mesmerina, the fresh Mr. Bean, the coat to beat it, aka the sheet mask killer. I was gonna do a sheet mask on a plane the other day, and I was like, nah, that's wild.
That's too much.
That's too much.
People gonna
Like if the air marshal shot me, I'd be like, I had it coming.
yeah, you deserved it.
Because also I wear all black because I wear a tech suit when I'm on a plane. So imagine I'm in a Nike tech suit. I'm sitting mad close to the cockpit. Now I just put on a sheet
Zipped
mask.
up to the gills with the sheet mask? Nah, niggas looking at you like,
nope.
Are you in the Jabberwockies or are you a terrorist?
The fact that I got more support more. AKA problematic bait. It's not a secret family. If you know about them, you love them and support them. And why does your current relationship have to know about them? Mind your business. Exactly. Well, the Secret Family is a show you haven't been to watch yet.
That's it. Secret Family is just shows on your DVR.
They're just there. They haven't bothered you.
You know what I'm saying? They're just waiting for your attention.
How does it even bother you? How does a whole secret family out there living their own life, how does it affect you? Unless you want to make it about you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't be selfish.
Okay.
Don't be selfish. Just try to insert yourself into your secret family's life all the time.
Now you interrupting what I have with which is happy. Elizabeth.
You know what I'm saying?
Jesus.
The Google searches for Elizabeth are going to go up. They're going to spike.
That's Lizzo's real name.
Yo!
Wait. Listen.
It's mean.
You know what it is. My man Mero is coming to the stage. He's going to make sure the pyrotechnics is ready.
I just spilled Brugal all over my face. It's in my eyes. I can't see. But I'm like Van Damme at Bloodsport. Nigga, I'm about to come through and fuck everything up. You know what I'm saying? You see the lasers? Or is it just me because I ate a quarter of mushrooms? It might just be.
Live from East Tremont.
That's right.
Point guard.
That's right.
260 straight muscle.
That's right. Straight out of Lehman College.
Tripping in straight Louis Vuitton.
You know what I'm saying?
He wears 2 chains because he had 2 felonies.
That's right. Be both.
Still committing crimes even though he's on late night cable.
Don't care.
One stole a car using a screwdriver.
Let's go.
Once got kicked out of Starbucks for stealing a drink that was not his.
Let's go. They said the name sounded like mine. I took it.
Got thrown out of a William Barton gym for sniffing someone's butt in yoga.
That's right.
Coming to the stage, Joel, the human do-rag flap, Martinez!
Ah! It's your boy Kid Mero. Thank you for that glorious introduction. It's your boy Kid Mero, aka the Human Durant Flap, aka Donovan McDab, aka Donovan McDab. I said that already. Aka Curve Gotti, aka Trees Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Aka Skirt Loader, hop the curb, hit your fucking dachshund, long hair or short hair. I don't care. I keep it moving. Nigga, ask me if I give a fuck. I do not.
He's 14 years old.
It's fine. He was on his twilight years. Yo, I know fucking baby. I fucking mang, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Check my ID. You know what I'm saying? I got multiple. You know what I'm saying? Me and Danny Almonte. AKA, no need to check the guest list. I am the guest list, bro. I played the baby in 2 Men and a Baby, son. Yo, Nate, throw this motherfucker. Yo, get a refrigerator on the roof. Throw the shit off the roof on this motherfucker, B. I'm not coming back in this club. Fuck this club. Yo, this shit ain't popping. Fuck y'all. AKA CC Dab back here. I'm in my basement, man. You know what I'm saying? Doing concentrated strains of THC, dog. Shit that you can't even handle. Shit that open your third eye so crazy, your third eye will be gaping like an anal. You know what I'm saying? Keeping a Pinot on this side, you know what I'm saying? AKA getting to the shmoney and the schmuck. It's your boy Goldman Schmack. You know what I'm saying? AKA I got my kids filling in for me on Fallon, which we appeared for on the 8th time the other night. Just saying.
8 times.
Second most appearances ever on Fallon. Right behind Andy Cohen. We coming for that number 1 spot. You know what I'm saying? I have my kids filling in when I'm feeling gassy because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying?
Gassy.
Yeah.
Sponsored by Beano.
That's right.
Gas X.
You know what I'm saying? Do you like beans? But
that's what they call
don't like
Beano.
flatulence?
You know what the thing is? Twitter's ruined beans. I can't eat beans safely anymore.
Yeah, because Beano.
No, not that. Because like that whole this nigga eating bean shit.
Oh yeah, this nigga eating beans.
Because I'm
and also
like I might be eating in my house. Like beans are good. Like imagine I'm eating and niggas just kick down the door, and be like, this nigga's eating beans.
Remember, it's in the Bible. Beans, they're good for your heart. The more you eat, the more you fart.
Beans is magical fruit. The more you eat them, the more you poop.
The more you toot.
Thank you.
It's the other ones. Beans are good for your heart. The more you eat, the more you fart. The more you fart, the better you feel.
I did
Eat
also
your beans
say
every
3
meal.
sheets to the wind earlier. I want to apologize for that.
Nah, that's real talk.
This nigga said 3 sheets to the wind.
Exactly.
That's real talk. That's me, you, Mero, Kevin Karate eating some fucking avocado toast, talking about houses in Hawaii.
Quick story about Kevin Crotty, and we'll keep it safe, but I'm a dude from Queens. Whenever I left the country, it was to go to like Canada real quick or Colombia. I called homie. He picked up his phone because we had to speak about something. And I'd never experienced this before, but I knew what it was instantly. Tropical birds in the background.
Oh, yeah.
It wasn't a pigeon. It wasn't a parakeet.
Yeah.
There were like mad calls and responses and reverbs and I don't know what. But they're tropical birds that play in the background when you catch this man on vacation. Respect him.
Respect that guy.
I think your man might have flexed on me because he said something about, you're not trying to, I was in Hawaii. He was like, you trying to live out here with me and Don Cheadle? And I was like,
Excuse me? Whoa.
Oh, we just got cribs?
Yo, shout out to the Karate Kid, B, because that motherfucker, god damn, you know what I'm saying? God damn, man. Stacks on decks. He started SODMG. You know what I'm saying?
He probably has Future working on the Karate Chop remix right now. You know what I'm saying? His own specialized custom version.
Karate Chop.
You know what I'm saying?
Karate Chop.
Shout out to Northwestern, we out here. Go Cats. AKA Ben Smack Biombo, you know what I'm saying?
Smack.
AKA Diego Maradona, you know what I'm saying? AKA Dick in your bed, Motombo, you know, come this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. Actually, does not belong to me, belongs to and I respect our agency. Therefore, I will respectfully request entrance into the beautiful Lady Cavern. Oh, thank you.
That's the opposite of a man purse?
Lady Cavern. Lady Cavern. You know what I'm saying?
Is that like Carlsbad Cavern?
Yeah.
It's going to law school trip.
Except if there's an echo on that bitch, you gotta find something else to do. AKA David Trisdale, nigga, pow pow, take that for Jada. Julius Randle leading the league in double doubles next year. Book it, dog. You heard it here, Merodamus. You know what I'm saying?
Calling it.
You know what I'm saying? So call your bookie, put it in right now. AKA Barlow Santana, so smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. God damn, it was a C-class nigga. I don't give a fuck. I'm getting out and running with one shoe on. AKA the Dominican dollar Deckman Daddy. You know what I'm saying? AKA swap my card again. There's definitely money on the man. Yo, listen, man. Don't make me embarrass you. Don't make me embarrass you for the management. Because they're going to come up here and they're going to say, hey, I love the show. How are Heather and the kids? Where's Desus? I love Victor's hair. Can he release his hair regimen? Huh? So if you like your little fucking Macy's job, Edward, put my dad's fucking polo hat in the bag and keep it fucking moving. And yes, you're going to use this expired coupon or else I'm going to make a fucking scene in this bitch and go on Instagram Live. All right? Be cool. AKA Romeo Santos, tu favorito, mami. I'm so nasty. Yo, me and Stevie B Trisha Titi again, nigga. I did it last week. I doing it again. We tristed on Tremont Avenue this time, papi.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? At F&B Grocery Corporation. You know what I'm saying? In the back by the freezers, nigga, with the 25-cent ice cream sandwich. It's stupid. Fight me right now. I got Chelsea Bulls, nigga. I kick you with my heels. It's stupid. Okay. Lighten El Touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for?
Say what?
I can see it in your eyes. That your broke ass ain't got 5. Thank you. Oh, but if you don't have 5, please exit the arena immediately. If you have 5, please come to the front. AKA Tom Prince, your girl got my balls deflated like Bobby Kraft, boy. We the table shower boys in the building, y'all. Hey. You know what I'm saying? We go get massages and we reach completion, if you know what I'm saying. AKA Feel the Ass Tyson, I want to explore your cosmos, ma. Consensually. You know what I'm saying? AKA little salute to the very first nigga to tap out on live. I've been doing it before all these SoundCloud rappers started taking wild Zans and fucking doing all stupid shit. I just did run around after my kids in the yard, smoke that loud, and fall asleep in front of IG Live. Was popping. Sad. Been doing it, pioneering, you know what I'm saying? AKA Frino Messi, MVP of Gelato, you know what I'm saying?
Fry him.
AKA Zaniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah, you know what, nigga? I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? Sushi. Limited engagement, yo. We got B on the building, you know what I'm saying? He's flipping the coals, yo. Come through. You know what I'm saying? AKA
Thump.
Ben Bosson. My hands are gifted. I'm taking it back to the old school. I once restored a child's brain using only leaves from a temperate climate. This qualifies me to do anything. I stopped a robbery at Popeyes once. You're welcome. Enjoy the sandwiches, you cowards.
Enjoy them.
If you can find one, I have a stash. AKA Open Your Medicine Cabinet. You know who the fuck it is, man. It's the Zen Man. You know what I'm saying? AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Baby Newport. 2 for 5 niggas got garbage on the way. I got my shit unstamped. You know what I'm saying? AKA Nino Brown shut the car down. AKA live from the Castle Hill 6 train station Metro card machine. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your TT is fucking and Dope Sick Love. Don't let me leave. You know what I'm saying? Fall in the tracks and die, you know what I'm saying? You would miss a freestyle legend.
Hate to see it. AKA
every week, mate, I have to remind you, mate. It's bloody awful. I tell you something one week and then the next week you don't remember niche. So what I'm telling you is that there's only 2 rock stars left in this world, mate. The Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, sitting in a lawn chair in front of the bodega.
Very comfortable. Probably
super cozy. Oh yeah, you already know.
You know what
I'm saying? Listen. AKA I met my Francis, I'm never gonna fail. AKA chilling at the crib off edibles, waiting for LeBron to call. It's Barmelo's Anthony. Bang in China. You know what I'm saying? Yo, if you see me at Target higher than a Jamaican on a construction ladder at a family reunion bashment, or approach me like a fucking earth-sign mammal, yo, because I'm about to jump off this shit and dagger your auntie. Whoa. You know what I'm saying?
To be fair, Mom.
You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm doing.
She got that wig pushed to the side, right?
You know what I'm saying? Woo! Oh, wine pun it.
Auntie, you got that from Mo Tresses?
Yo, shut the Mo Tresses. For all your wig and lace front needs. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up fucking ripped out of my mind. And I need cash up front. So give it up. And while I get ready, I'm just going to let my man, Mr. Fun run the show while I'm in the van getting dressed. AKA doing drugs.
Hey, you kids heard about the Popeye sandwich? I had one. Anyone of y'all want to lick my fingers and taste it yourself? Don't be shy. Don't be fucking shy. Open your fucking mouth, you little cunt.
Woo! Again, so fake lead to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off 99 bananas and crushed up baby aspirin. You know what I'm saying? That EP's coming soon on SoundCloud. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, man.
300 views.
I would just like to say, like, as we do this, it's hot as shit in here.
Yo, facts. That's why I got the ventilated Nike tech shit. Oh, you know what I'm saying? My armpits is wild ventilated right now.
Right.
AKA, oh shit. You know what time it is. Like my man says, turn your SAP on. You know what I'm saying? Because it's going down.
That's right. Coming to you live from Guadalajara.
You know what I'm saying? Hasan, dime la pista, coño. Oye, que lo que llegó el hijo de FIFA, coño, conmigo, no.
He said FIFA.
Llegale al brillo, mamagüevo. Deja la demo, my friend. Que es dañino a la salud, maniga. You know what I'm saying? ¿Oíste? Esta noche, this night, estamos celebrando en alta el cumpleaños de mi jevita en los MIF. Como dice el rapero Camarón, you wasn't there. You know what I'm saying? Llega la flota que da calambre, mi hermano. Shout out a Cash all the time. Shout out Cash App, como siempre. Shout out Hasan y Zen, que pone la fucking nota siempre. You know what I'm saying? Y shout out las nenas de la bodega, Dai y Vicky, que no están aquí, pero están aquí en espíritu. Y shout out mi presidente Pío, secretario de defensa, activo con el cañón. Avísame que lo suelto, pay. You know what I'm saying? Y shout out el don del conocimiento, Víctor Hugo. Uf, el don. Y el primer ministerio de Jamaica. El único. Desus. Bueno. Me quité ya. Los dejo con mucho amor. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. As always, you know what it is. Bodega Boys in the building. Yo, Showtime. Desus and Mero on Showtime. You know what it is. Coming back to you.
October 14th, 11 p.m.
That's
2
right.
times a week. Double penetration.
Right. Both your holes.
You know what I'm saying? Get airtight with us.
You know what I'm saying? Check out Bodega High. We got some live shows. We got more coming on deck. T-shows coming on deck.
Life is beautiful.
Life is beautiful coming through.
You know what I'm saying?
Do mushrooms with us and die in the desert.
Yeah.
That's what it is. Your boys, we out.
Peace.